Welcome to Kanerika's podcast, The Digital Shift, where we unpack the technologies shaping our world and really try to give you the insights that truly matter. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's fundamentally reshaping how businesses connect with you, their customers. Artificial intelligence for customer service. It's way more than just a buzzword, isn't it? It feels like a monumental shift. You might have seen the projections. I mean, some reports suggest that by 2025, an astonishing 95% of customer interactions are expected to be AI-powered. That's not just a trend. It feels more like a strategic imperative now. So our mission today is really to cut through the noise. We want to explore the key applications, the truly tangible benefits, the real-world implications, and of course, where this is all heading. We'll aim to give you a high-level, impactful understanding without getting too bogged down in every single technical detail.
Indeed. And those customer expectations, frankly, they've skyrocketed. We demand instant personalized responses across every single channel, whether it's chat, email, or picking up the phone. Traditional support systems, they're often straining under this pressure, let's be honest.
Yeah.
And this is exactly where AI-driven tools are stepping in. Not really to replace human agents, but actually to lead a revolution in how customer experience is delivered. Think automating routine tasks, enabling personalized, scalable, and genuinely 204/7 support.
Okay, so let's unpack this a bit. When we talk about AI in customer service, what are we really defining here? What's the essence of this transformation?
Well, at its core, it's about the intelligent use of AI technologies, using them to automate, optimize, and frankly, profoundly enhance those customer support interactions. It's
Right.
about moving beyond relying solely on human agents. The goal is delivering faster, more consistent responses, improving operational efficiency, and dramatically scaling support operations to meet that demand.
Right. And the driving force behind this isn't just the tech itself, is it? It really seems to boil down to those escalating customer expectations we just mentioned, that 95% figure.
Yeah.
It really just tells us how quickly the landscape is changing, fueled by our desire for immediate answers across every platform.
Precisely. Customers today, they expect immediate gratification, and they want a highly personalized experience. That's something traditional human-centric systems, they just can't provide it at the scale or speed that's needed now. But what's really crucial to understand here is that AI isn't about entirely replacing human agents. It's much more of an enabler. You see, AI excels at those repetitive, high-volume tasks, the kind that often burn out human agents. And that frees up our human colleagues to focus on the complex, the sensitive, or the truly empathy-driven conversations where their unique skills are just indispensable.
Okay, so it sounds less like a takeover and maybe more like a carefully choreographed dance. AI handles the predictable stuff, the high-volume stuff, allowing humans to bring their, irreplaceable emotional intelligence and problem-solving skills. It's a powerful collaboration then, rather than a competition.
That's exactly right. The goal is a balanced support ecosystem. AI provides quick, accurate help for routine inquiries, making sure customers get immediate satisfaction. Meanwhile, human agents can dedicate their time to those higher value interactions, building stronger relationships, and tackling issues that really need a nuanced human touch. It's about optimizing where each excels.
Right, playing to strengths. Now, to make this collaboration happen, there are some pretty sophisticated technologies working behind the scenes. What are the foundational pieces powering this AI customer service revolution that, we should probably be aware of?
Well, a key aspect here is how these different technologies kind of combine to create a seamless experience. Our frontline defense, you could say, often comes in the form of chatbots and virtual assistants. These are your go-to for routine questions, checking an account balance, finding store hours, maybe some basic troubleshooting. They're automating things like bookings, order tracking, even simple transactions, and they do it 24/7 across web, mobile, social platforms, pretty much everywhere.
Yeah, we've all typed a question into a chat window, I'm sure. But for a chatbot to truly understand the nuances of what we're asking, it needs something pretty clever to interpret our language, right?
Yeah.
Which brings us to natural language processing, or NLP.
Exactly. NLP is, you could say, the brain that allows AI to comprehend everyday human language. It goes beyond just recognizing keywords. It actually grasps the context. So if you casually type, where's my stuff? It understands you're asking for shipping information, not just hearing random words. This tech is vital for handling different phrasings, multiple languages, even regional dialects. It makes interactions feel remarkably natural, less like talking to a machine.
And sometimes those interactions can get a bit emotionally charged
Right.
or frustrating maybe, especially if a customer is already upset. How does AI manage that or even detect it?
That's where sentiment analysis plays a really crucial role. This technology analyzes a customer's words, sometimes even the tone and voice interactions, to detect their underlying emotions, frustration, satisfaction, maybe confusion. It can automatically flag negative interactions for a human to step in, or adjust the AI's response style to be perhaps more empathetic. And it even helps track overall satisfaction trends, helping businesses spot recurring pain points that might need fixing systemically.
Okay, so it's not just what you say, but how you say it. That's incredibly insightful. Now, moving beyond just reacting, can AI actually anticipate our needs before we even express them?
It absolutely can, and that's thanks to predictive analytics. This technology analyzes huge amounts of historical data and behavioral patterns. It tries to anticipate customer needs and potential issues before they even bubble up. For example, it might identify a customer who seems likely to churn or predict the best time to offer personalized support based on their past activity. It's a powerful shift, moving from reactive problem solving to proactive engagement and even preventing problems altogether.
Wow, that's a truly powerful capability, solving problems before they fully emerge. But what about when we actually speak to these systems? We're often on the phone expecting a natural conversation.
Right, then we're leveraging voice AI and speech recognition. This allows customers to interact naturally with phone systems using their voice instead of, endlessly pressing buttons on those complex menus. It's designed to understand a wide range of accents, different speaking speeds, and even filter out background noise to some extent. And crucially, it can also work alongside human agents. It can transcribe calls in real time, suggest responses, or instantly pull up relevant customer information for the agent.
And all of this is constantly getting smarter, right? It's not static, it's a learning system, which I guess leads us to machine learning models.
Absolutely. Machine learning models are really the engine of continuous improvement here. They learn from every single interaction, every conversation, every query, every successful resolution, and importantly, every misstep too. This ongoing training allows the AI to personalize responses based on individual customer history, recognize increasingly complex or unusual requests. And ultimately, it reduces the need for human intervention over time while dramatically increasing the accuracy of the automated responses. It's basically a self-improving system.
It's incredible how these technologies kind of build on each other, creating this truly intelligent and adaptive support system. So with all this sophistication, what are the tangible, measurable benefits that businesses are actually seeing when they bring AI into their customer service strategy? Why does this all matter to the bottom line and, the customer experience?
Oh, the benefits are profound and often immediate. First, there's the undeniable advantage of 24/7 availability. But beyond just being always on, the real insight here is how AI-powered support kind of flattens global operational costs. And it fundamentally shifts customer expectations. It's not just convenience anymore. It becomes a strategic imperative that forces competitors to follow suit. It really reshapes the whole market's service baseline.
Which means no more long waits, hopefully. Faster response times must be a huge win for customer satisfaction and loyalty.
Indeed. Customers get instant answers, which dramatically reduces wait times and that frustrating hold music. This directly translates to higher satisfaction, less frustration, and a stronger perception of efficient service. And this efficiency then ties directly into scalability. AI systems can effortlessly handle thousands, maybe even hundreds of thousands, of queries simultaneously. That's just impossible for human teams alone. This ensures consistent quality and rapid service delivery, even during those peak demand periods like holiday sales or, unexpected events.
And it's not just about speed and volume, it's also about intelligence, right?
Hmm.
Personalization through AI seems to offer a truly tailored experience.
Exactly. Through sophisticated data analysis and machine learning, AI provides highly personalized recommendations, maybe troubleshooting steps, or offers based on a customer's purchase history, their past interactions, even their browsing behavior. This makes the whole experience feel far more engaging and relevant, which generally deepens customer loyalty. And all of this, of course, has significant implications for cost savings. By automating a vast array of those low-value repetitive tasks, businesses can significantly cut operational costs. This allows human agents to focus on the complex, higher-value issues that might generate more revenue or require expert attention.
Right. And finally, a benefit we often kind of take for granted with machines, consistency and accuracy.
That's a big one. Unlike human agents who might have varying levels of experience, maybe a bad day, or different knowledge levels, AI ensures consistent, reliable, and standardized responses every time across all touch points. This minimizes human error, it upholds brand standards, and it builds trust through predictable, high-quality support.
Okay, these aren't just theoretical benefits then. They're actually playing out in the real world across all sorts of diverse industries, really transforming how businesses operate. What are some of the most impactful applications we're currently seeing out there?
Yeah, we see AI making huge waves in retail and e-commerce. Think about automated order tracking, for instance, or AI-powered product recommendations based on your browsing history. You also have virtual shopping assistants helping you navigate vast inventories online. AI even helps streamline returns and manage inventory behind the scenes.
That's definitely a tangible improvement for online shoppers. What about something as sensitive and critical as, say, finance?
Oh, in banking and finance, AI is absolutely crucial now. It powers sophisticated fraud detection systems, which is huge. It assists with loan applications, provides budget tracking tools. You even have investment bots offering personalized financial advice. And mortgage assistance systems can guide customers through those really complex processes, making them more accessible.
And in healthcare, where accuracy and speed can be, well, literally life-saving, AI must be incredibly valuable.
Absolutely. AI is used for efficient appointment scheduling, preliminary symptom checking tools, though always with caveats, of course. Also, automated prescription refill systems, insurance verification, patient reminders. It really helps streamline a lot of the administrative tasks, freeing up human staff for more critical, direct patient care.
Hmm. And for those of us who travel a lot, I imagine AI is already a constant, maybe sometimes invisible companion.
It definitely is in travel and hospitality.
Yeah.
Flight update systems notifying passengers about delays or gate changes. That's often AI. Hotel booking assistants helping guests find the perfect room. Travel planning bots suggesting personalized itineraries based on your preferences. AI also assists with things like baggage claims and restaurant reservations, smoothing out many common travel frustrations.
And finally, a sector many of us interact with pretty regularly, telecom.
Right. Here, AI helps with complex network troubleshooting, billing support queries, service activation tools, data usage monitors. Essentially, it handles many of the common recurring technical issues that traditionally tied up very busy call centers.
These general applications are really insightful, but sometimes specific examples truly bring it to life. Are there any success stories that particularly stand out to you?
Yeah, there are several really compelling examples. Take Sephora's virtual beauty assistant. It helps customers find makeup products by analyzing their skin tone and preferences right through their mobile app. Reports showed this led to increased online sales while significantly reducing the workload for their human beauty consultants, especially during peak times. Another one is Amtrak's Julie chatbot. It efficiently handles ticket bookings and schedule inquiries, processing, I think, over 5 million customer interactions annually. That dramatically cut their call center costs.
Impressive numbers. And in banking, we mentioned Bank of America earlier, how has their AI transformed things?
Yes, Bank of America's Erica is a prime example. It serves something like 42 million customers and completes over 1 billion with a B customer requests per year. For everything from balance inquiries to financial guidance, this has substantially reduced the need for branch visits and phone calls. It's a massive operational shift and improves customer convenience significantly. These are not small-scale improvements, they're truly impactful.
This is where it gets really interesting because, all these transformative benefits aren't just theoretical concepts anymore. We at Kanerika are actually seeing them brought to life for businesses every single day.
Absolutely. Our focus is on bringing real measurable value from AI and machine learning. We leverage advanced approaches like Agentic AI and custom-built generative AI models. We design purpose-built AI agents across diverse industries, manufacturing, retail, finance, healthcare, specifically to address unique bottlenecks and help businesses scale their operations much faster than before. Our solutions, they go beyond just theory. We enabled capabilities like faster information retrieval, smart video analysis for things like surveillance or quality control, real-time data monitoring, also inventory optimization, vendor evaluation, automated data validation. We also support critical functions like sales forecasting, financial planning, intelligent product pricing, basically helping organizations manage resources and costs more effectively and make quicker data-backed decisions.
So, okay, we've discussed the immense promise of AI in customer service, but, it can't be all smooth sailing. There must be hurdles. What are some of the key challenges businesses need to navigate when they're implementing these powerful systems?
Oh, absolutely. There are definite challenges. One of the biggest, perhaps the most discussed, is the inherent lack of human empathy. While AI excels at logic and processing data, it really struggles profoundly with sensitive, emotionally charged issues. Situations where a genuine human touch and understanding are just irreplaceable. This can, in turn, lead to an over-reliance on chatbots, where customers feel trapped in automated loops. Without an easy or clear path to a human agent, that ultimately leads to significant frustration and can really damage the overall customer experience.
Yeah, I think we've all experienced that frustration. And with so much sensitive customer data flowing through these systems, I imagine data privacy and compliance risk must be a huge concern.
Paramount, absolutely. AI platforms process vast amounts of personal and sensitive data, requiring really robust safeguards. This is especially critical in highly regulated industries like healthcare, with HIPAA or finance, and of course with GDPR globally. Adherence is non-negotiable. Then there are the practicalities, like the high implementation and training costs. Building, training, and integrating advanced AI systems demands a significant upfront investment. We're talking technology, infrastructure, and crucially skilled personnel.
Which can be a pretty substantial barrier, especially for smaller organizations, I'd imagine. And then trying to integrate this new cutting-edge tech with existing, maybe older systems, that often sounds like a complex headache.
Precisely. Integration complexity with older CRM or ticketing systems can be incredibly time-consuming. It often requires custom development and deep technical expertise to get it right. And finally, a really critical ethical concern is AI bias and fairness. Since AI learns from historical data, it can inadvertently pick up and even perpetuate existing human biases. This could potentially lead to unfair or inaccurate treatment of certain customer segments, or perhaps misinterpreting dialects or cultural expressions. It's a serious consideration.
Okay, so given these significant challenges, how do businesses strategically overcome them? How do they ensure a truly successful AI implementation? What are the best practices they should be adopting?
Well, a crucial first step, in our experience, is to start small and scale gradually. Don't try to boil the ocean. Begin with simple FAQ chatbots, maybe ones that handle basic high-volume questions. Test these systems thoroughly with a limited group, gather feedback, refine, and only expand once they prove reliable and effective. It's very much an iterative process.
That makes perfect sense, kind of crawl, then walk, then run. And crucially, it seems the message is augmentation, not outright replacement, right?
Exactly. The most successful approach we see is to use AI to support human agents, not necessarily replace them wholesale. Position AI is a powerful tool that helps agents work more effectively. Maybe it provides suggested responses, instantly pulls up customer history, or handles routine pre-screening questions. This allows the humans to focus on that complex problem-solving and relationship building.
So you never fully remove that essential human safety net then?
That's it. You should always keep humans available for complex issues. Design your systems to intelligently recognize when a problem needs human expertise or emotional support. And make it seamless for customers to transition to an agent when the automated solution just isn't sufficient. And critically, ensure clear handoff processes so customers don't have to repeat themselves. That's incredibly frustrating.
Right. Nothing worse than starting over.
Yeah.
And for any AI system, the quality of its output is only ever as good as its input in its ongoing learning process, I suppose.
Which is why a constant focus on data quality and continuous improvement is absolutely paramount. You need to train AI systems with vast amounts of diverse, real customer conversations. Ensure your knowledge bases are regularly updated. And crucially, monitor success rates, track customer satisfaction, and critically review all failed interactions to understand where the AI needs better training or refinement. It's an ongoing, iterative cycle.
Okay. Looking ahead now, this field is evolving at just a staggering pace. What's on the horizon for AI in customer service? How will this collaboration between humans and machines continue to evolve?
Well, we're seeing the really exciting rise of AI agents and multi-agent ecosystems. Imagine multiple specialized AIs collaborating behind the scenes. One agent might detect sentiment, another manages account details, maybe a third resolves technical issues, all working together seamlessly for faster, more accurate, and more comprehensive support.
That sounds like a highly coordinated digital team, each with its own specialized role, and data will just become even more central to the whole customer experience, I guess.
It absolutely will, through deeper integration with CRM and CX platforms. This means real-time access to complete customer histories, preferences, feedback, enabling truly proactive service, like identifying churn risks before they escalate, or offering personalized solutions before a customer even realizes they need them. We're also seeing the strengthening of those hybrid models, human empathy plus AI efficiency. The future probably isn't AI only. This blend looks set to dominate. AI handling the simple, repetitive stuff, while humans take on the sensitive or highly complex issues.
And keeping those vast knowledge bases fresh and up to date, that's always a monumental challenge for businesses. Will AI help there too?
Yes, that's a key area. Generative AI is creating self-updating knowledge bases. Think dynamic knowledge bases that automatically learn and update from every customer interaction, new product documentation, support tickets, basically eliminating tedious manual updates. This ensures that both human agents and the bots themselves are always delivering the most current and accurate information.
So the long-term vision, where does all this ultimately lead us? What's the end game, maybe?
Well, the long-term vision, or maybe the North Star, is fully autonomous, context-aware support. This means AI systems that deeply understand not just intent and emotion, but the full context of a customer's situation, their history, their likely needs, to deliver truly seamless, maybe even predictive end-to-end customer support. While it's still in advanced development in many ways, this represents the really exciting and impactful trajectory of AI in customer service.
We've explored quite a bit today. It's clear AI for customer service isn't just about faster responses. It's really about a fundamental transformation that impacts every facet of a business, every customer interaction, and yeah, pretty much every industry.
Indeed, and the implications for competitive advantage are profound. When implemented thoughtfully, AI can truly redefine efficiency and customer satisfaction on an unprecedented scale. And at Kanerika, we are deeply committed to helping organizations turn these enterprise AI goals into real, measurable results. We've seen these solutions drive significant impact firsthand. Think about average annual cost savings of, say, $1.2 million in logistics operations, or a 50% faster time to market for new fintech and health tech products. We've also seen things like a 28% boost in customer retention in retail and e-commerce. These aren't just abstract figures. They represent real, tangible shifts in business performance and, ultimately, the customer experience.
So as you think about your next customer interaction, maybe as a customer seeking assistance, or perhaps as a business leader looking to innovate, consider this. How much more integrated, intelligent, and personalized will your experience become in just the next few years? And what strategic role will AI play in making that future a reality? Thank you for joining us on The Digital Shift. We hope this deep dive has given you a valuable shortcut to being well informed on this critical topic.